Okay, as you asked me the 7 number 3, okay. Look, I'm going to show you the solution of 7 number 3 here, okay. At the side of this one, look here. In 7 number 3, look children, first sentence, look there. On selling a television set for rupees 19,580. Okay, on selling that one, it is given there. What is there? 19,580, right?
Yes.
Is it given or not? What is given there? This is, look here. Here I'm showing here. On selling a television set for rupees 19,580, there is a loss of 12%. Okay, if it is sold for, look there, 6,675 more, find the profit or loss percent. Are you looking, children? There is given, look here, CP is,
Yes,
the
sir.
SP is given there, and loss percent is given there 12%, and CP is what? Okay, according to the first question. And now we know CP equals to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. If you put the values of this all and solve it, then you'll get there 22,250. From the first question, we find CP, right? Okay. In book, this question is what? The question of 7 number 3. Okay, in book, in your course book, this is question number 7.3. Okay, and now by using this cost price 22,250 and selling price this 9, look here, 19,580. Okay, look, 19,580 the selling price, and question says that if it is sold by taking how much more here, how much more money? 6,675. That must be added with the this selling price. Look here, this selling price, right? Selling price was 19,580. If 6,675 is taken more, then CP is what there, 22,250. Then what will be there? There will be profit or loss. It is asking there. Okay, understood, children?
Sir.
Understood?
Sir, can you tell it again?
From the first question, we found a CP 22,250. Okay. Now, second question tells that if how much money was taken more? Look there.
Again, 6,675.
If 6,675 is taken more, whether there will be profit or loss. That means in previous selling price, we have to add 6,675. Okay. Then it came there, how much there? 26,255, right? Then cost price is there. Cost price is there what? 22,250. Okay. Then now there will be profit or loss. Of course, there is profit because selling price is bigger. Then selling price minus cost price is the profit. Profit is there 4,005. For 4,005 is the profit. If you know profit, then you can find out profit percent now. Profit percent equals to profit by CP into 100%. If you cancel, then you will get there 18% profit. This is the answer. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, now I am moving to question number 8. Look there, question number 8. Question number 8 question. Rujal had bought 50 bulbs. Look here, how many bulbs were bought?
50.
Good. 50 bulbs were bought. Okay, children. Look at that. I am going to solve here for you. Okay. This is for the question number 8I. Okay. I am going to show you here 8I. 8 number I. Question has given their first total bulb. How many bulbs are there, children?
50 bulbs.
Right there, total
50.
bulb. Okay. Total bulbs right there. Okay. Total bulbs were there 50. Okay. And what was the CP of 50 bulbs? Can you tell? What is the CP?
15,000.
What is the CP there? What is the CP there?
1,500.
1,500. Good. Okay. 1,500 is the CP. And if 4 bulbs were found to be defective, okay, it means not working. That means how many are, okay, good bulbs? How many are good bulbs there?
46.
Good bulbs you have to find out, okay? Good bulbs equals we have right there 50 minus 4. Then there remaining only 46. Understood, children? There is remaining
Yes, sir.
46 good bulbs. Then he sold rest bulbs at the rate of rupees 35 for each bulb. Okay. And what percentage would he have gain or loss selling? Then means SP of one bulb is what there?
35.
SP of one bulb is one
35.
bulb right there. Okay.
35.
SP of one bulb equals to rupees 45. Right? How much?
35.
Sir,
45.
35.
Okay. Not the 45. Okay, that is 35. Then we have to find the SP of how many bulbs? How many bulbs were sold? How many bulbs were good there?
46 ball.
46. Good.
46.
Right there, 46 bulbs.
46.
Then you write there 46 bulbs. If you find the SP of 46 bulb, what will be there? Rupees 45 into
46.
35 into 46. What will you get? Multiply them. Multiply, children.
1,610.
1000. 35 into 46 do
610.
35 into 46.
1,600.
It comes 1000.
610.
Good. 1610 comes. Okay, children. Now look here.
Yes, sir.
What was its CP?
1,500.
What is its SP now?
60.
Now
1,610.
tell whether there is profit or loss.
Profit.
Right there, here. I'm doing down,
Profit.
okay, you can see there. Here, SP is
Profit is made.
SP is greater than CP. So what is made there?
CP.
So what is made? So profit is made. So profit is made right there, okay? Are you doing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding? So
Yes,
profit
sir.
is made. Now what you have to do? Profit percent find out. Now profit percent equals what will be formula? Let's find out. Find out
SP
everybody.
minus CP by CP.
Profit
Sir,
percent equals
SP
to
minus CP.
yes SP minus
Profit.
SP minus CP. Find out SP minus CP
No,
by CP into 100 percentage.
100%.
100%.
Okay, 100 percentage right there. 100 percentage. Now let's put the value. What will be here? 16. Look here. 1610. 1610. 1610 minus what will be?
Minus 1500 upon 1500.
Minus 1500.
100%.
Minus 1500 you light. Okay, this
By
is 1500.
1500 into 100%.
This is 1500. Okay, don't be confused here. This is 1500. By what will be here? 1500, right? Are you looking my writing there?
Yes.
You are looking right. Then when you subtract this, what will come there? I am solving this side. Look there. 1610. That means what will be here? 110.
Yes, sir.
110 into 100 divided by how much? Divided by there,
1500.
1500. Let's cancel. 0, 0 cancel. Now 110 divided by 15. 110 divided by 15. You will get 7.33. You can write answer in mixed fraction also. You can write in decimal also, no problem. 7.33. Or you can write answer in mixed fraction also. Okay, its answer you can write in mixed fraction also. 7, you can call it like this also, look here. By 5. 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, then what will be here? 5 3 the, then you can write here. When you divide this 22 by 3, then what will you get? 7 whole number 1 by 3% also we can write.
Three.
We can write answer in mixed fraction also, okay? Are you clear, children? Question number 8.
Yes, sir.
Sir, answer is 22 upon
22 upon 3. 22 by 3. We can write answer in mixed fraction also. We can write answer in decimal also. Which one you like, you can do that. Okay, children?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Have you understood question number 8? Have you understood?
Yes.
Have you understood question number 8I?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You understood it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Can I rub it?
Yes, sir.
If you are writing, then I will wait.
Sir, already.
Click on screen, sir.
Nishant, have you done? Hello, Nishant. Okay, I am going to rub it. Now see the children, I am showing you the next one. Okay.
So this we have already discussed yesterday.
Yeah, we discussed this one. This 3 number. This one classwork we did.
So this number is of 7II. Yes, sir.
Yeah, 7I. Okay, okay. This is the
Yesterday we
work
did.
of this one only. Now look at, I want to show you some of the questions from there. This Daya one is also already solved, okay? And this is case sub one.
So where is Daya?
Okay. Now look here. Now I am going to solve the question for you from this already solved. This formula, okay, this I have already explained. Now look here. I want
Can
to
you download this profit and loss new formula?
this formula I
Second
had
one.
given yesterday. This formula, this all formula I had given. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
This profit equals profit percent of CP, then loss equals loss. This already given. I had given you already.
Yes,
Now
sir. Okay.
from look there. Look question number 8, I, and I. Okay, 1, 2, 3, this one. Do you feel any question difficult there? Otherwise, I will go to question number 9.
No, sir.
Now, children,
Yes, no, sir. No, sir.
no, right?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Now I am going to do question number 9. Okay, from question number 9, look here, I am going to explain here. In question number 9, question is asking us Ram bought a radio set for rupees 3,200. Okay, here is Ram.
CP.
Okay, for Ram, what is CP?
Rupees 3,200.
Okay, this is for Ram. Okay, for Ram,
Sure.
please look nicely. For Ram, CP is what there? Cost price is
Rupees
what there?
3,200.
Huh?
Rupees 3,200.
Yeah, 3,200. Very good. Other student also speaking. Now, what is they asking there? Ram sold to whom? Rumi. Ram has sold to
Rumi.
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 Rumi now, okay? This is for Rumi. Look at children, okay? This is for Rumi. When Ram is selling the radio to Rumi, at that time, what happened there? Look there. He sold it to Rumi at the gain of 15%. What is the profit percent for Ram?
15%.
22.
Good. Profit percent for Ram is what there?
15%.
15%.
Good. Ram has got percent. Okay, profit percent 15%. Now, children, look here. When you find out the CP for Ram, the CP is already given there. We have to find out SP here. When you find out the SP for RAM, that will be the CP for. That will be the CP for what?
Rumi.
Okay, Rumi, because selling price of RAM is the cost price of Rumi.
Rumi.
Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
For RAM, find out SP. What is the formula of SP here? 100 plus profit percent. Solve by 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. CP, what is there?
3,200.
Yes, let's put the value and find out. Everybody do. This will be now 100 plus how much? 100 plus 15.
15.
Okay. into what is there? 3,200. Okay. 3,200 upon what is there? 100. And this 100 and this 100 we cannot cancel, eh? This 100 and this 100 we cannot cancel because there is plus sign. Here is plus sign, we cannot cut this 100 and this 100. But we can cut this 100 20 and this 3,200 20 because which sign is there? Here is which sign?
Multiply.
Here is multiply sign, that's why we can cancel this and this. Now what is left there? 115.
100 plus 15 into 32.
115 into 32. What will come? What is the selling price of the radio for RAM?
580.
How much will come?
580.
You got 580.
500.
115
Yes.
into 32. It will come 3,680. It comes
680.
3,680. Okay. Which is you have to multiply 115 multiplying with 32. It comes look at 115 into 32. How much comes? Check once. 3,680 comes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5
3,600.
multiply 15 into 32 and then plus 100.
Yeah, it comes 3,680 or not?
Yes, sir, it comes
Yes, sir.
3,680.
RAM is selling to whom? Rumi. This 3,680 is the cost price for what? Cost price for
Rumi.
Rumi. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Because
Sir,
RAM has sold to Rumi. Understood? And
Yes.
question tells that, look, the question tells that now Rumi is selling to whom?
Raj.
Rumi is selling to
Sir,
Rumi is selling to
Raj.
whom?
Raj.
Rumi is selling to
Raj.
Raj. Good. Rumi is selling to Raj. That means what is the loss percent for Rumi?
15%.
There is given
15%.
loss percent. Okay, there is given loss percent because Rumi is selling to Raj at the loss percent. Okay, loss percent how much?
15%.
Good, 15%. Then if you find the SP for Rumi, that SP will be the CP for.
Raj.
Very good, very good. Who is speaking?
Sir, Sarah.
Good, Sarah has told correct answer. The selling price for Rumi. The selling price for Rumi is the cost price for
Raj.
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 Can you find the selling price of Rumi by using the formula? What is the formula there? 100 plus or 100 minus?
100
There is loss.
minus
100 minus loss percent by
upon 100 into
100 into what?
CP.
CP. Let's find out how much you'll get. This 100 minus loss means 100 minus 15. What will be? This 100 minus 15 to
85.
this will be 85. Okay. Look, I am doing little bit short. Okay, there. I am not showing there some of this step there. You know that you can put here 100 minus 15. You can do no 85. 85 by how much? 100
100.
into what will
100
be?
into 3,608.
3,600. 3,680, right? Let's call
Yes, sir.
0, 0, cut. 0, 0 cancel this. This 0 cancel. Now call this 5 to the And here also caught by 2.
10.
2 1 the 2. 2 8 the 16. And 2 4 the 8. 184. And let's caught by 5 now. 5 1 the 5. 5 1 the 5. And 1. What is left here? 3. 35. 5 7 the 17 into what is left? And for Raj now,
180.
let's multiply that. What will come? 17 into 184. 17 into 184 do. 17 into 184. 17 into 184. What will you get? You will get 3128.
3,128.
You will get
3,128.
3128. This 3128 is the cost price
CP
for
of
whom?
Raj.
Raj. But this is the selling price for Rumi.
Rumi.
Selling price for Rumi is the cost price for Raj. Are you clear, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any difficulty in question number 9?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
You understood the question, how to solve question number 9?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you noted this all?
Yes, sir. So do we need to rejoin?
What is the remaining time?
Sir, 5.
Okay, we don't need to rejoin. You understood this question or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now similarly you can do question number 9, number 2 also. Okay. I am clearing this, eh?
Yes, sir. Okay.
I am showing here 9
Sir, we
number.
should also do how much did Raj pay for the radio?
Question number 9.
Sir, I.
Yes, I already told that. 9 number 2. What is there? Pragya. Here is given Pragya. Okay. Look, I am explaining the question only. Okay, children. Pragya is there. Pragya is selling to whom? Camera selling. Okay. Pragya is selling camera to
Pranab.
Pranab. Pranab is there. Okay. Another customer is Pranab here. Okay, children.
Oh,
Now, is there another also? Now, Pranab is selling to
Prerna.
Prerna. Good. Pranab is selling to Prerna. Okay. Can you write there like this? Okay. Prerna. Okay. Prerana. Now, first, what is given there? For Pragya, what is given? SP. SP and gain percent, right? Gain percent given there. Gain percent means profit percent. Okay, gain percent given there. How much? How much given there? 8%, right?
8%.
Now selling to Pranab, and Pranab sold it to Prerna. Here SP for Pranab is given there. How much? How much given there?
9. 9,072.
9,072. Understood?
Yes.
And what is the, okay, for Pranab, look here. Pranab, what is the
Sir,
gain?
gain
Profit percent is there, okay, for Pranab. Profit percent, how much?
12%.
How much? 12%.
12%.
Now asking to find the cost price of what?
Can-
Prerna. Okay. Now here you will find out. Here you will find what? What will you find here? Pragya, look there. How much did Pragya pay for the camera? Tell me. Pragya pay for the camera. That means here we don't need to find this for the Prerna one. Okay, we need to find here one. Here you will find out. Look here, children. If you find the CP, look here. If you find the CP here for find the cost price of Pranab. Okay. And that cost price for the, look there, Pranab. Cost price for the Pranab will be the selling price for the whatever value you get here, that value you put here. Okay. Understood? Whatever is the CP for the Pranab, that will be the selling price for the Pragya. By using the selling price, now we can find out the cost price for the Pragya. Can you find now?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to use here cost price equals to selling price into 100 by which one?
100
100 plus
profit.
profit percent. Profit percent means that gain percent. It is given there. You understood, children?
Yes,
For the Pranab, if you find CP, that CP will be used here. Okay, here SP for the Pragya. Okay, by using that SP and gain percent, find the CP by using this formula. Okay, children,
okay, sir.
can you solve it
Yes.
and solve and find out, and that will be the cost price for Pragya.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, bye bye all of you. Bye bye. See you
So
on
you
next period now.
work in
Bye,
your
sir.
classroom.
You have to do question number 8 and 9. Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
as on.